Thank you, God. Today, all the team very happy. Everything. Please, you can give me good day today. Good for power for all the team. Safe. Thank you, God. Amen.
Adventure Carstensz!
Yay!
This is exactly what we're trying to talk about development and ecotourism.
Yes.
Is to teach that, you know, this is one of the most beautiful wonders of the world, and because of uneducated and unresponsible trucking companies,
Yes.
they pollute the area.
Yeah. Look like this. Look. Oh, it's a trouble. You need like this. Oh.
Yeah. This is the beginning. If we don't act on this, this is full of garbage.
Yeah.
And if they don't bring it back, they get a fine so that it pays for us to come back here and clean up.
Yeah.
You know, this
Yeah.
is the beginning. This is the evidence that we need a structurization and standardization of the area. That makes me furious. It's just my conviction. Look at batteries, alkaline batteries, poisoning the water. This water goes down to some villages below. Look at these batteries here. This is all irresponsible companies that don't care about the people, about Papua, about Indonesia. They just care about the money. So we're going to change this. We're going to standardize the...
Saya tidak mau lihat orang dari luar datang bikin sampah di area ini, di satu gunung sini. Saya tidak mau lihat sampah-sampah di jalan-jalan dan di danau-danau, di goa-goa. Saya tidak mau lihat sama sekali. Sekarang saya dengan teman-teman, sekarang kami mulai kumpul sampah dari Bali Dam, naik mau sampai kumpul sampai di atas di basecamp. Sekarang kita mulai kumpul dari danau satu di bawah.
Garbage box 1, 2, garbage box 3, 4, and stay here permanent.
Yeah,
Foot,
that's it.
foot, and a garbage.
Exactly.
Kita ada di danau satu. Kemudian sampah-sampah semua, lihat ini sampah semua. Kita akan taruh di sini sampah ini semua. Ketiga karyawan kita bisa pikul ke uang di area Freeport 4 kilo dari sini, atau bisa juga helikopter per waktu ke sini bisa buat helikopter. Oke, gini buka dulu ini. Oke. Ini. Yo!
Adventure Carstensz!